I got a broken sprinkler line, and if you haven't fixed one of these before, let me show you how to do it. It's actually pretty simple. I got a couple of these different extenders here, and we just take these little extenders here and we put them inside the 1/4 inch drip line, and then we can just push it together. I got some extra 1/4 inch drip line, and I put one of them in here, and I'm just gonna see what the length is here, and then I'll just take a good old-fashioned pair of scissors here, and then I'll cut this down to the right size. All right, let me show you how to do it. All right, this is kind of pinched here. I think it got hit by a shovel, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it off here so that it's nice and clean there. And then I got a barb in here already, and I'm just gonna show you how this works. This is what they are here. It says 1/4 inch connectors, and you can see it's got barbs on each side, and then you just push those barbs into the irrigation line. So you just push this in here like that. Got the other end down here. So same thing down there, we'll just cut this off. And then we'll put our other irrigation line in there. And then these aren't gonna reach, so we'll put a little extender piece in there. All right, I'm just gonna push this in here. And then I'll see where this comes to. All right, so it looks like we'll just cut it right there. Probably good. And then I can just push these together. And now I got the irrigation line fixed. All right, there you go. That's how you fix a broken irrigation line.